dear. Ew.
Can you stop doing that? You always leave it to record and it's just the ceiling. You're so annoying.
Whoa. I'm quitting.
Delete this. Oh, you know those people who make videos like, oh, why I left BuzzFeed? This is gonna be your why I left Kent video.
I'm gonna make a coming out video.
You already made a coming out video.
Oh, the trash. Oh wait, should I make a why I left Kent video?
Yeah, can you?
Okay.
And then actually leave.
I am leaving Kent.
Don't do that.
I am leaving Kent. The Westboro Baptist Church has conformed me.
Shut up.
Oh my god, there's this video that this Filipino girl sang.
Okay.
It's so...
I'm tired. That's why I'm exerting energy.
I won't.
Okay.
You can't shut me up. You can't shut down this voice of the people.
Did you already talk about the fish?
Oh. So Paige got fish for her birthday, and I'm the tita, so you know.
Okay, why do you
already
say
done.
it so weird? It's just tita.
Tita.
You're like saying it too much. It's Benoit.
Annoying.
She's not good.
You did a Moana cover.
Yes. I might actually cry.
It's the same girl that you think it's not good.
No, I think you said let's do a Moana cover.
Wait, no, it's not.
I've been staring at the edge of the water. Christina, I will literally take the laptop away from you if you play more of that boring girl.
What's the song that they were singing downstairs?
How far I'll go? Or like, did you die? You literally just shut the laptop.
No, I'm going to Jesus camp.
I think we need to be. I think we need to go.
I thought you meant like leave.
We all need to leave my house.
What are you doing,
I
Lauren?
do homework.
How long does it take
Give
you?
me a hot minute. No, there's a lot of it, and I'm just.
How do you... Oh my gosh.
What do you want me to do?
I've slept so many times in this room.
Stop recording. Couldn't resist him. His hair was exactly the shade of brown. He's not as tall, but I couldn't tell. It was dark and I was.
Do you guys know the party's here?
Wait.
$30.
Oh my...
No, because normally it's like
$30
No,
off.
normally it's like $100.
Is this Kent?
I'm very hot. I'm Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
is the work of the devil. Warlocks are the enemies of God.
Someone wants to see
Oh
that.
my gosh, thanks.
I put it in a vase of
For
really.
Kent.
Be careful, it's heavy.
Okay, this is gonna get oil all over your.
I'm just like, oh, that's oily.
I have to take off my
Warlocks are
retainer.
the-
Oh my god.
Don't be dumb.
Don't be
Bye,
dumb.
Genuine. Bye, Luca.
Don't call it genuine like it's a rapper. Okay.
Bye, Genuine. Okay, one for each.
That's great. Hey, I have the smallest one.
Because you suck. What is this disgusting